食べ終わった、宿題終わった、やっと仕事が終わった。こういう時は finish を使いたくなりますよね。でも実はもっと自然な言い方があります。しかもとても簡単です。done。そうです。do, did, done の done のことです。これは映画とかよく出るフレーズですね。We done here? I'm done working this dead-end job. Hang on, I'm almost done. 全然難しい言葉ではないですし、文法も覚えやすいと思います。今回紹介するパターンが2つです。使いこなせるようになるとですね、すごく便利でかっこいいと思います。あとは最後にアドバイスとして、多くの方が finish to というパターンを使ってしまいます。これはよくある間違いですね。start to が全然大丈夫なんですけれども、finish の場合は必ず ing 動詞を使わないとダメですね。例えば I finished to do my homework ではなく I finished doing my homework が正しいですね。でもね、start はですね、どちらのパターンでも使えます。例えば I started to do my homework I started doing my homework どちらでも全然大丈夫です。それはどうしても皆さんに伝えたかったです。So let's get cracking. If you can get the hang of this way of using done, it's going to be a game changer. The first pattern is incredibly simple, yet so useful. When you're talking about a particular activity being completed or finished, this is a very conversational way of talking that sounds extremely natural and cooler than just plain old finish. Of course, I have to point out that you can use finish, but I want you to change your ways a little. Try something new. Take a risk. You'll thank me in the long run. So how do we make sentences? Let's learn how. Let's take the example of I'm finished eating lunch. Just simply replace the verb finish for done. I'm done eating lunch. How does that sound? Listen again. I'm finished eating lunch. I'm done eating lunch. One little difference that you may be thinking about is, how about I have finished eating? Yes, that's another way to say it. If you're using finished plus ing, there are two ways. But when you're using done, in this context, there is, in most cases, only one way. You have to say, I am done eating, and not, I have done eating. It's just a little bit more natural. I'm done fixing the car. You want to go and catch a movie at the mall? When my wife's done cooking, she loves to curl up in the sofa with a coffee. So to curl up in the sofa is like to curl up into like a ball, like a cat, and look really relaxed and nice and cozy. Are you done doing your homework? You should go outside and play for a bit. A bit just means a small amount of time. Do something for a bit. He's done updating the homepage, but he still has so many things left to do. I'm never done learning new English words. It's my life's calling. So your calling in life is something which is kind of like your life's work. It's something that you were born to do. Oh, and here's another really natural way to use it. Almost done. Are you done? I'm almost done. Give me a few more minutes. So this is the much shorter version, but it actually has numerous meanings. The first one is, I'm done with something. When using it like this, it's important to understand the nuance of how it feels and sounds. It doesn't sound exactly angry, but it has a slightly aggressive tone to it, like you're happy it's done. I'm done with work for today. I can't wait to get home. She's done with working out at the gym. She prefers exercising outdoors. I'm done with you. I want a divorce. Pretty strong language, I'm sure you'll agree. Now, how about if we just say, I'm done? This is the simplest of them all. This can be interpreted in two different ways. The first one just means you're finished. It's pretty straightforward. Are you finished with the report? Yep, I'm done. But it can also mean that you're never going to do that thing ever again in your life. It's similar to quit. Are you coming back to work after the way I was treated? No way. I'm done. Another kind of a funny way to use it is in an argument. If the other person is shouting at you and they finally stop talking, you can say, "Are you done? I'm never trusting you ever again. You never respect my things. That was my favorite cup and you broke it. I'll bet you broke it on purpose. Are you done?" It's a cool way to end an argument and lets you get the upper hand. 優位に立つ. So that's a new expression for me. It's homework time. So I'm going to give you 3 English words today, and I want you to take them and make a wonderful English sentence using the language in the same context as we learned today in this video. Okay? So the 3 words are these: done, you, and cheating. Okay? Put them all together and make a lovely sentence. I'm looking forward to hearing all your lovely homework sentences. Okay, best of luck.